who's fifth in the International League in home runs. So they've got some power in the middle of this lineup.
Yeah, they do. Ground ball hit slowly to short. Underhand flip the second one. Relay from Lee is not going to be in time. Urbaez again runs well up the line. Back-to-back fielder's choices and to leave a runner on with 2 down for Edwin Rios.
Second in RBIs in the International League with 88. As I mentioned, fifth in the International League in home runs, 24. So you got to be very careful with this hitter. Who's eighth? And Brian Serven doing the catching, batting ninth.
As Lee takes outside, that'll be T. Coming off an okay series, he went 6 for 24 with 2 doubles, a homer, 4 RBIs, and 2 walks. And he looks in, has his sign, rocks and delivers. That's low and outside. And a run at full. It's work, 3-2. Is a swing and a miss. And a bouncer up the middle, ranging to his right, making the grab as Lee throws back in time. Troy Watson pumped off of that play by Hao-Yu Lee. That's a quick top half of the second as the bats go in order 1, 2, 3. We'll head to the bottom half of inning number 2. No score. This is Toledo Mud Hens baseball. And the next pitch going to be grounded right to second. Lee, easy play here to get Rodriguez. 4-3. That's the first out of the inning.
See if the Mud Hens could string together a couple hits in a row and get this game tight, or maybe go ahead.
Be a heck of a good time. And Sikkema delivers, swing and a foul back towards the Mud Hens 9 times and struck out 9 times against Louisville this year. Mitchell will be outside. And how players have done against the other team. Slow roller hit foul up the third baseline. And the pitch from Sikkema. And the lefty delivers, drive high in the air. This is heading deep to right field, backing up and on the track to make the grab is Valade.
Yeah, the ball in his hands.
1-2, and he did, and it's a ground ball right to short. They'll go with the short way there, 6-4, and that's all for the bats in their half of the. Ground ball hit to short. Cruz goes to second one. Relay is in time as it goes Cruz to lead to Valencia, 6-4-3, inning-ending double play. And we'll head to the bottom of the 5th. We're halfway through here at Fifth Third Field. It's 1-0 Louisville. This is Toledo Mud Hens baseball. They have, and they got Hao-Yu Lee at the plate. He's going to take outside corner for a strike. The pitch going to be line one, hopper over to first. Good play right to the first baseman Rios, and he'll finish. That'll bring up Hao-Yu Lee. 3-0 Louisville. Do the Mud Hens have a big
Over that? If he can get it down the line.
Cruz scores?
Yep.
Started his career, of course, in Detroit. And a drive high for the Reds. Pitch low and outside, 61, and he's ready for a 1-2. Delivers low to make it 2 balls, 2 strikes. And the faithful here, 5,509. They're hoping to see just that. What a take there. Farmer ready, runner goes, swing and a bouncer right in front of the plate. Racing to get it and fire to first in time is the catcher Higgins. Lee is out 2-3. Taking second is Cruz. That'll bring up Max Anderson. It's going to take a 2-out rally for the Mud Hens at this point to get anything done in this 8th inning.
Yeah, nice job by the Louisville catcher right there to pounce on that and get the out at first base.